UL Standard 1449 4th edition provides the governing requirements for the installation of surge arresters and transient voltage surge suppressors (TVSSs). Surge arresters and TVSSs can be grounded using one of two methods: firstly, directly to a ground rod, or secondly, through a raceway to the main distribution panel (MDP). When grounding directly to a ground rod, the surge arrestor or TVSS can be connected directly to a ground rod that is listed and installed in accordance with Article 250.0 of the National Electrical Code (NEC). This ground rod must be separate from the grounding electrode system of the main distribution panel. When grounding through a raceway to the main distribution panel, the surge arrestor or TVSS can be connected to the main distribution panel through a raceway that contains all the other electrical conductors. In this case, the grounding electrode conductor of the main distribution panel provides the ground return for the surge arrestor or TVSS. When connecting directly to a ground rod, the ground for the surge arrestor or TVSS is isolated from the main distribution panel ground. This is important to prevent ground loops and ensure proper operation of the surge protection device. The fact that the enclosure is made of hard plastic does not affect the grounding requirements. NEC Articles 280.0 and 285.0 do not specifically address the grounding of surge arresters or TVSSs. However, these articles provide general guidelines for grounding electrical equipment. To ensure compliance with UL Standard 1449 and maintain effective surge protection, it is recommended to ground surge arresters and TVSSs directly to a separate ground rod. This will provide the best protection from ground loops and ensure optimal performance of the surge protection device.